Have you ever found yourself captivated by the electrifying sound of a guitar solo, feeling an intense desire to unleash your inner rock star? Many of us have dreamed of playing like legendary guitarists such as Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, or Jimmy Page. These iconic figures have not only left an indelible mark on the music industry but also revolutionized the way we perceive and play the guitar. In this article, we will delve into their secrets and explore how their innovative techniques and choice of instruments shaped the world of music. The power of innovation. How legendary guitarists changed the game. Guitar heroes are not born overnight. They are made through years of dedicated practice combined with a unique ability to think outside the box. By pushing boundaries and experimenting with new techniques, these innovators transformed what was once seen as a mere instrument into a tool for self-expression. The Stratocaster phenomenon. Unleashing your inner Hendrix. When it comes to iconic guitars, few can rival Fender's Stratocaster, often associated with Jimi Hendrix's explosive style. With its distinctive shape and versatile tone options, this instrument became synonymous with rock and roll rebellion in the 1960s. By understanding how Hendrix harnessed its potential, from his virtuosic use of feedback to his jaw-dropping string bends, aspiring guitarists can tap into their own creative prowess. The bluesy mastery. Unraveling Clapton's magic touch. Eric Clapton is widely regarded as one of history's greatest blues guitarists. His ability to convey raw emotion through his instrument has inspired countless musicians worldwide. Delving deep into Clapton's technique reveals his masterful command over bending notes, vibrato control, and soulful phrasing. By incorporating these elements into their own playing, guitar enthusiasts can unlock the power of the blues and infuse their music with a heartfelt touch. The Zeppelin legacy. Embracing Page's artistic vision. Jimmy Page, the driving force behind Led Zeppelin, is renowned for his innovative approach to guitar playing. From his intricate fingerpicking in Stairway to Heaven to his thunderous riffs in Whole Lotta Love, Page showcased an unparalleled ability to create unforgettable melodies and textures. By studying his use of alternate tunings, slide techniques, and layering effects, aspiring guitarists can embark on a journey of sonic exploration. The what, why, how. Unveiling guitar heroes' secrets. Now that we've explored the legacies of Hendrix, Clapton, and Page, it's time to uncover the secrets behind their groundbreaking techniques. What? Understanding their techniques. By dissecting each guitarist's style and technique, from bending strings like Hendrix to mastering vibrato like Clapton, aspiring players gain insight into how these legends achieved their distinctive sound. Why? Capturing their essence. Understanding why certain techniques were employed by these iconic figures allows us to grasp not only how they achieved their signature sound but also what emotions they aimed to evoke through their music. How? Implementing their techniques. With knowledge comes power. Armed with an understanding of legendary guitarists' techniques, players can incorporate them into their own practice routines and compositions. Concrete takeaways that will elevate your playing. Incorporate vibrato control. Mastering various types of vibrato adds depth and expression to your playing. Experiment with alternate tunings. Diving into alternate tunings opens up new sonic possibilities by altering string tension. Explore slide techniques. Slide playing introduces unique melodic intervals that can add a touch of soulfulness to your music. Embrace feedback and effects. Experimenting with feedback and effects pedals allows for the creation of otherworldly sounds that push the boundaries of traditional guitar playing. Conclusion. Unleash your inner guitar hero. In conclusion, unlocking your inner guitar hero requires a combination of dedication, innovation, and an understanding of legendary innovators' techniques. By studying the legacies left behind by Hendrix, Clapton, and Page, as well as embracing their innovative spirit, aspiring guitarists can embark on a journey to discover their own unique sound. So pick up your instrument, let your creativity flow, and unleash the rockstar within you. Remember, it's not just about replicating what these legends did. It's about taking inspiration from them and forging your own path in the world of music. Now go forth and unlock your inner guitar hero.